Hi, everybody. This is Martin. It's been a while, and it's a different maybe setup from what you're used to from the past. You are now in my Budapest apartment with me. It's a lovely Sunday afternoon. I have my coffee ready. I wish you could smell it. It's absolutely awesome. So what do we have today? We have an unboxing of two products from DJI. These are products I've been thinking of buying for a long time. It's a microphone and receiver. So one is called the DJI Mic Mini in white, and the other one is a DJI Mic Series mobile receiver. So what are these two things? Well, a microphone and a receiver. You would maybe ask yourself, why should you need a microphone? Well, microphone is good for anyone who wants to slightly elevate the audio quality that they record with their telephone or camera or other equipment. The receiver is a USB-C receiver. You can use it, I believe, for PC or telephones. It's also specifically made for iPhones. You just plug it into the USB-C port and you can receive a higher quality audio signal from compatible DJI microphones than you would receive if the microphone was connected to your phone only via Bluetooth. So it's a proprietary codec that they use for the transmission that improves the audio quality. All right, so let's start. I would say let's start with the DJI receiver first. I'm gonna try to focus on it. All right, so at the back there is a little very much Apple-like pulley thingy. So you pull it off and you get to then open the top, and inside is the tiny not sure if you can see it. Tiny receiver. So it's a little bag, and it really is super tiny. This is what it's like. There's a USB-C. And is there anything else? There's a little bit of paperwork with a QR code manual, if you'd like to check that. And nothing else. That's it. So just a little bag, the receiver, and a little bit of paperwork. Okay, let's continue with the microphone. Again, there's a little pulley. Very much reminds me of Apple products. And inside we have, again, a little bit of paperwork with a bunch of QR codes. And we have another plastic bag. All right. So inside we have this cute bag. The material is like a technical fabric, I would call it. It has a zipper. And inside we have these windshield covers. One is a little bit black and white, and the other one is, I would say, gray. So these two. And then we have cable. I believe this is a charging cable. Then we have the microphone itself. This is what the microphone looks like. It's really, really tiny. There's a magnet on the end so that you can attach it magnetically to your t-shirt. So you put the magnet under your t-shirt and you simply attach the microphone on top of it. But there is also a clip. So you can also clip it to your whatever you have, like that. But I think the magnet is probably a little better. And then we have a little, I think this is like a charging cradle. Yeah. Teeny, 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 tiny charging cradle with 2 pins and the USB-C port. So there are the pins over here. There's 4 of them actually on the microphone. Oh, it's not really focusing. I'll try it in post-production. So it attaches magnetically. It's very, very cute. And the cable, I wish the cable was white. The cable then attaches like that. So this is your complete setup. And this is a USB-A type of port. And there's a little silica gel. And that's it. Nothing else. On the inside, there is some product name, nothing else. And let's see, we should be able to attach this to the top. Yes, so this is what it looks like with the attached windshield. And this is what it looks like when it's on your t-shirt. I'll try to do a little bit of a test with audio so that we can see what it sounds like and you can compare it to what it sounds compared straight from the iPhone as you're listening to it right now. Okay, so let's try a couple tests. This is straight from the iPhone on the automatic setting of the microphone. This is the standard setting of the microphone on the iPhone, and this is the voice isolation setting on the iPhone. All right, so this is now a test of the DJI Mic Mini in comparison to the previous ones, which were the different settings of the built-in microphone on the iPhone. I'm now testing the setting of the noise cancellation turned to off. I'm now testing the noise cancellation setting to low. And I am now testing the microphone with noise cancellation set to high. All right, and let's take a look at what the application looks like when you connect the receiver. A notification pops up. It says new device detected, wireless mic detected, audio settings, and recording supported. You have 2 options, go to settings or recording only. So I'm gonna go to settings, and basically on the little receiver, you have 2 different types of buttons. One is a switch at the bottom below the DJI logo. Here you can select the noise cancellation to be off, low, or high. And on the right, you have the pairing button. And as you can see, I've pressed the pairing button on the right of the DJI Mic receiver, and I also pressed the pairing button on the DJI Mic Mini, and the 2 have seamlessly paired. On the left side of the DJI receiver, you also have another USB-C port, and this is, for instance, if you want to have the receiver connected to your iPhone, but you want to tether it, let's say to a battery or a charger, to be able to charge the iPhone while you have the mic receiver connected. Now in the app, you have audio channel selection, mono or stereo. There is a safety track, so only available in mono mode. You can use it for post-production software and separate audio track later. There is the gain control, the monitoring gain control. There is a plug-free external speaker switch, which says, when enabled, attach mobile device adapter to expansion port of receiver and then connect to mobile device for output. Honestly, I'm not really sure what they mean. So when enabled, attach mobile device adapter to expansion port of receiver and then connect to mobile device audio output. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Noise reduction. This is what we've talked about before, but as you can see, if I simply press on it, it says please use the RX button to adjust the noise level reduction. So I actually have to switch this on the device. Now I'm putting it to basic, now I'm putting it to disabled. But also this is the only device, only receiver, as far as I know, from DJI that has a hardware setting. All the other ones, you have to switch it in the app. Then we have the TX settings. If I click more, there's audio settings, low cut, remove unwanted frequencies from audio signal and add clarity. There's a clipping control, automatically adjust volume limit to avoid clipping. Buttons and LED indicators. So there's microphone LED. When enabled, the indicator on transmitter will light up to show device status. General, there's an auto off switch. When enabled, the transmitter will automatically power off in 15 minutes if not being connected to save power. And at the bottom, you can see the battery status, and you can also see the gain at the moment of recording. All right, and let's see, on the top right, you have some device serial number, device name of the receiver and of the microphone. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.